Find the division remainder of a number. How could I go about finding the division remainder of a number in Python? For example, if the number is 26 and divided number is 7, then the division remainder is 5. Since 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21 and 26 to 21 equals 5. For simple divisibility testing, see how do you check whether a number is divisible by another number?
You are looking for the modulo operator. For example, of course, maybe they wanted you to implement it yourself, which wouldn't be too difficult either.
The remainder of a division can be discovered using the operator %. In case you need both the quotient and the modulo, there's the built-in divmod function.
%26 7, you will get remainder. 26, 7, you will get divisor, can be float value. 26//7, you will get divisor, only integer value.
If you want to get quotient and remainder in one line of code, more general use case, use
From Python 3.7, there is a new math.remainder function. Output. Note, as above, it's not the same as %. Quoting the documentation. Math.remainder x, y return the IEEE 754 style remainder of x with respect to y. For finite x and finite non-zero y, this is the difference x, in y, where n is the closest integer to the exact value of the quotient x, y. If x, y is exactly halfway between two consecutive integers, the nearest even integer is used for n. The remainder r equals remainder x, y, thus always satisfies abs r less than equals 0.5 abs y. Special cases follow IEEE 754, in particular, remainder x, math.inf is x for any finite x, and remainder x, 0, and remainder math.inf, x raise value error for any non-nan x. If the result of the remainder operation is 0, that 0 will have the same sign as x. On platforms using IEEE 754 binary floating point, the result of this operation is always exactly representable, no rounding errors introduced. Issue 29962 describes the rationale for creating the new function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.